Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. You don't have to study boring grammar rules. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's the key to improving your English while discovering the incredible stories of the United States. Today, we're diving into a classic American debate: New York versus California. What's the biggest state rivalry? These two states are icons, each representing different sides of American culture, economy, and lifestyle. But why are they always compared? And what makes their rivalry so interesting? Let's start with New York. Located on the East Coast, New York is famous for its fast-paced life. Towering skyscrapers, Wall Street, Broadway, and of course, New York City, often called the city that never sleeps. New York is a financial and cultural powerhouse, attracting millions of tourists and business professionals every year. Now, let's move across the country to California. On the West Coast, California is known for its sunny beaches, Hollywood movie industry, Silicon Valley tech innovation, and a more relaxed, laid-back vibe. Cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and San Diego are cultural capitals in their own right. These two states are leaders in many areas. Economy: New York has Wall Street, but California has Silicon Valley. Culture: New York has Broadway and world-class museums, while California has Hollywood and entertainment galore. Weather: New York has 4 distinct seasons with cold winters, while California enjoys mostly warm, sunny weather year-round. Lifestyle: New York is known for its high-energy, no-nonsense attitude, while California is often seen as more easygoing and creative. Because they are so different and both so powerful, the rivalry between New York and California pops up in conversations about the best place to live, the best place to visit, and where true American innovation and culture thrive. In reality, both states offer incredible opportunities and experiences. New York and California each have unique identities that shape the American dream in different ways. And while some people might argue over which is better, most agree that the United States wouldn't be the same without both. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed exploring the rivalry between New York and California, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's a great chance to review what you've learned and continue improving your English and cultural knowledge. Please like and share this video to help us grow and bring you even more amazing content. See you in the next adventure.